Welcome to our farm. Since a lot of you have requested in the past for me to do this video, I am finally giving it to you. Welcome to the firma. I'm very proud to say that we have an organic farm. I'm just so glad that everything came together and now I can finally show it to you. Since nakita nyo na ang farm namin, this time, I am going to show you our little Ano, Santi? Punta na tayo sa bahay nyo? Yung theme nga pala na itong house na to is kind of like an American farmhouse. Pagka-rustic yung feel ng entire place. Vintage but a little glamorous. Itong farm na to, it really serves as my sanctuary. I really made sure that everything that's placed in it talagang dapat very, very comfortable. You are meant to just relax over here.